The iwoly Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features a powerful brushless motor that delivers up to 28,000 pascals of suction, ensuring efficient cleaning performance. Equipped with a versatile motorized floor brush head and additional attachments, this vacuum is perfect for cleaning various surfaces in your home and even your car. The advanced multi-cyclone filtration system captures 99.99% of fine particles, providing clean air and reducing maintenance time. With a detachable lithium-ion battery, you can enjoy up to 38 minutes of continuous cleaning, allowing you to cover your entire home without interruptions. The large 1.2-liter dustbin minimizes the need for frequent emptying, and the vacuum is designed for easy storage with a convenient wall-mounted bracket. This vacuum's efficient design and functionality make it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile cleaning solution for their home.